Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is restart your iPhone. So guys, for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this slide to right. So after restarting your iPhone, enter your passcode and open the lock screen here. And so guys, the second solution is reset network settings. So for this, tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings here. So enter your passcode and tap on reset network settings. So guys, after resetting your network settings, the next method is restart your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. For this, open settings, turn this off, turn again, turn on. So after doing this guys, the next method is send a single file rather than multiples. So guys, if you are sending multiple files, so try it once, send a single file. So the next method is sign in your iCloud account again, sign out and sign in again. So after signing your iCloud account, so guys, disable VPN. So guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iOS device, so disable the VPN. So I have connected the VPN and disconnected from my phone. So after disconnecting the VPN, so guys, this is the last method. So last method is solution is open the settings, tap on general, tap on software. So guys, check for software update. If you have available any new update here, so update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, here are the simple method to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.